Shanghai Maths. It is a rigorous system in which children are taught together with strict discipline. Every child must understand the lesson before the class moves on. A deep understanding of the fundamentals of maths is the goal. The best and brightest are those who struggle. In primary school, they're all ready giving it a go. First it was teaching. Maths teachers like Zhu and Li flown in from China to introduce the Shanghai system. Her British counterparts watching what could be a revolution in teaching practices in UK schools. The system is to impress.
Shanghai Maths is a pedagogical approach that Shanghai teachers developed, share, and use to teach young students learning mathematics in their classrooms.
Because they are structured in a real way, just like lessons are. Learning and teaching questions is clear. Now schools need to understand. Teachers have got to make subject specialism in maths. You need to have support for subject knowledge. You need to have a resource like that.
The UK government has launched a $50 million investment in Chinese maths across Britain. That's been followed now by international publisher HarperCollins, producing a number of textbooks using the Shanghai maths system.
This is a great piece of achievement of many best Shanghai mathematics teachers, leading mathematics teaching research fellows, and university-level mathematics lecturers.
Maths Chinese schools from Beijing, Shanghai and Guangzhou, as well as Jiangsu province ranked UK lag behind at 27th.
It is developed based not only on Chinese traditional wisdom of teaching and learning, also on modern educational research carried out by maths educators in Shanghai. Shanghai's one lesson, one exercise.
The teachers are specialists, studying primary maths at university for 5 years, then teaching only maths.
Over more than 20 years. It reflects Shanghai Maths approach, not only on what and how mathematics should be taught in learning.
The Chinese textbooks will help deliver the UK education department's ambitions to half of all primary schools in England over 8,000 total to adopt the Asian mastery approach to maths.
他们学校有专门教写歌这首歌，要把这个歌的歌词换一换成1和9，2和8，3还是什么调，然后4和6还